Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Tinder application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Tinder application. If you don't have that on your phone, you can just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So of course, after opening your Tinder application, that will be actually your main screen. Here where you can actually like decline people, like match with people. You can actually do whatever you want from this main screen. Then you have here the explore option, which is recently added to like every social media now. You will find this explore option in with whatever social media you go into. It could be like Instagram, Twitter, or whatever. And here we have the option of see the people who likes you. Of course, here we have the option of messaging people that you already matched with. Of course, I have here 0 matches. That's why I cannot match with anyone. So of course, if you would like to change your name, all you need to do, just go and head up to your profile by clicking at your icon at the top left corner. Of course, it could be another picture here. It depends at the picture that you are or that you have on your profile. So just go and click at your icon here, and here you would like to go and click at edit profile. So after clicking on that, as you can see here, we have like several options, which is like here add pictures, which will add for you 4%. You can of course add whatever has percentage on the right of it. So if you add all of that here, you will actually like get this into 100%. So to get verified, of course. So even if you go here to the settings, as you can see here, you don't have the option of changing your name or even your age. So your name and age are the only pieces of your profile that you cannot change after creating an account. And if you need to update one or both of them, I'll show you the trick. So all you need to do, just go to your settings here and scroll down into the bottom of it. So here you would like to click add delete your account and actually delete my account. So here you would like to maybe choose an option here. If you don't want to, just go and hit the skip button and then delete your account. So if after deleting your account, just choose just go and create a new account with the same number, with the same with same pictures, with the same everything, but just change your name or age, whatever you want. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like us. Thanks for watching and goodbye.